Hello, we are here with the magic trick in Excel that will help us categorize these transactions based on the search term that we are looking for, and we will be categorizing on the basis of criteria. So what is the criteria? The function or the formula will look for this term and the description column and will bring the category from the category column. So if you're an accountant, freelancer, or business owner that do this categorization manually, you don't have to do it anymore, and through this function you can easily categorize it. So let's start adding the formula index. This will bring the criteria from this column. On the basis of what, we will add the match function that actually matching the text to the description. True. And then we will adding the ISNUMBER. ISNUMBER basically convert the error or the value to true and false, and then the search term will be looking for this text within the text, and this is within the text. So then close it down. Then we need to add a comma. So what we are looking for, the match function, we look for the exact match. Close it. Okay, now the formula is complete with the exception of a very tiny change that we need to make. If there's no text, it will give us a not applicable error. What we need to do is to add FNA to start, FNA, then we need to add uncategorize. Okay, now I think our function is complete, and then just double click by moving the cursor here and then double click it. Here we go, we have the categorization done. So assume we remove this function and add something like company, as we uncategorize, because the TBE company doesn't is not in the criteria list. Let's go at the end, just edit here and assume that the printing is stationery expense. Now if you move to the transaction, it has been categorized as a printing and stationery. So that's how we do the categorization based on this simple function. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button and subscribe for such more videos. Thank you.